Hey kids, good morning. Today your ma'am is here for you. Okay, our concept is today comparison. We have done on that day big and small. Today we will do more and less. What? More and less. Okay, more means so many and less means a small quantity means less quantity, very little quantity, right? If I give you very less quantity of chocolates, are you happy for that? No, you want more quantity, right? Yeah, same here. See, there are trees. Can you see the trees? Yes. Here how many trees? We have to count it first, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 trees. Here how many trees? 1, 2. Can you tell me which is more trees? Where are more trees? Can you see? Here are more trees and here very less trees. No, here so many trees. See, so many trees are there, right? And here very less trees, right? Yes, I will show you some other activity also. See kids, see. See, I have brought these plates for you. See, some crayons in this plate and some crayons in this plate, okay? Now, you have to compare where is the more crayons. Here is the more crayons or here is the more crayons. Here is the more crayons, correct. Here is more and here is less, very less, okay. Next one I will show you. Can you see this cylinders? Okay. Here where is the more cylinders? Here where is the less cylinders? Can you tell me? Is it more? No. Is it more? Yes. So this is more and this is less. Okay. So we have understood this more or less quantity. Now open the book, page number 5151. Okay. See, tick the basket with less items. You have to tick the items where the pictures are less. Okay, very less. Okay. See, can you see the basket? Where is the more and where is the less items? Is it less? No. Is it less? Yes. So we have to tick. Fine. Next, can you see banana? Wow, yummy, yummy banana. Wow, I want more banana. Do you like a banana? Yes. See, where is banana? Here also banana, here also banana. Where is less banana? Is it less quantity? No, here less quantity. So we have to tick here. Very good. Next, tick the basket with more items. More items. I will take more basket, okay? I will give you more or less. I will show you. See, here pineapples. Here also pineapples, here also pineapples. Where is the more? Where is the more pineapples? Here? No. Here so many pineapples. So we have to tick here. Fine. Next is tomatoes. Wow, red color tomatoes. See where the more items? Here the more items, right? Yes, so we have to put tick. Fine. Next, again we have to tick the less items. Who want less? You want? Okay. See, what are those? Radish. Okay. So where are the less items? Here? No, here are more. Yes, here the less items. So we have to tick here. Fine. Wow, mango, juicy fruit. Which are the less items? Here are the less items. Put tick. So this is the concept of more and less. You have to practice at home. Kids, now you know what is the concept of more or less. Okay. Now I am going to tell you about the equal. What is equal? Equal means same quantity. Here also same quantity, there also same quantity. See here, can you see the trees? These are trees. Now tell me, how many trees here? 1, 2. Okay. Now how many trees here? 1, 2. So here also 2 trees, here also 2 trees. Same means equal. Same means equal. Okay, now open that page, Imago book, open the page 5 to 52. See, did you open the page? Take a pencil in your hand, we will draw, okay? Draw shapes more than the quantity given below. We have to draw more shapes. How many shapes? What is the shape? First tell me. What is the shape? Circle. How many? You have to count it. 1, 2. Here we have to draw more than 2. Okay? See, 2. Right? So we have to draw more than 2 circles. We can draw more than 2 circles means 3 we can draw, 4 we can draw, 5 we can draw. So we will draw 3 circles. Okay? Draw it. 1 circle. Here I will draw. 1 circle. 2 circle, 3 circle. Draw it. Already 2 circles are drawn, right? You have to draw here 3 circles. 1, 2, 3. Okay? Next, draw shapes less than the quantity given below. Here how many? Here. Next, draw shapes less than the quantity given below. What is this shape? First tell me. Triangle. Now how many triangles are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 triangles. Okay. Now we have to draw less triangles. Means it should be less, means very little, not 4, okay, and not more than 4 also. So draw, you can draw less means 1 triangle or 2 triangle or 3 triangles. Let us draw only 2 triangles, okay. 1 triangle, 2 triangle. Done? Is it less? Here more, here less. Okay? Did you draw? Yes. Next one is, wait, let me rub this one. Draw shapes equal means same. Draw shapes equal to the quantity given below means how many shapes? What is the shape? First tell me. 1, 2, 3. What is the shape? Shape square. And how many squares? 1, 2, 3. So here we have to draw equal shapes means same. Right? Here 3. Again here again we will draw the 3 squares means same. Not more than, not less than. See, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3 means equal, same. Okay kids, bye bye.